And here we go, another day, another dollar. We got price updates for you in the world of crypto, and let's just go ahead and roll right on into it. Bitcoin up just a tiny bit, hanging out right around the $27,000 price point, essentially a neutral position. Ethereum did have a slight pullback right around that $1,800 range. BNB passing above $310, hanging around $313 right now. Overall, the market showing signs of slight gains, slight drops across the board. And if we go ahead and hop over, well, actually, we can zoom in here a tad bit. Pepe did make some pretty good gains on the day. It's up 8.09%, changed in real time as I'm recording the video. So we move over here, we can see that Bitcoin itself for the day, it just had that closure right there. It did still hang out above the $26,700 price level, which I've been mentioning in my videos now for a while, that this is a key level of support. Held itself up quite well. We can see that there was actually that bottom wick essentially bouncing off of that, coming up a tad bit here. So now another day of continuation in the red. You gotta understand that when we're looking at these charts, traders, what they're looking for are patterns. And to suggest that there's a continuation of just sell pressure day after day after day after day after day after day, it gets overextended. And then you're more likely to see a reversal. So could it continue to go down? Yes, technically it can. However, we need to look at multiple factors here. The 50 moving average, we've already talked about that in previous videos. Now we're looking at this key level of support I just mentioned to you guys, and we saw that little bounce take place off of there. So it's been tested once here on May 11th. Okay, then it passed through on May 12th. Quite a big wick right there, but then it got bought back up. Closed out in the day above. Third day, which was what we just had right here, bounced off of that. So it's been tested. It's been tested once, then it fell through, held its position for the overall day, and then the third day got tested again. So the more times that it keeps getting tested, there are more concerns that it's going to continue to drop. That is something that is not great to hear. On the flip side is that how many days in a row do we have of red? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days in a row. Every single day. Not one day that was actually green. Volume, you can notice here, was quite low yesterday. We might see it be very low once again. We are in the weekend. Do keep that in mind. And this might be balancing itself right around this median line as people wait to see how things are going to start to move going into next week. But anything can happen. Let's go ahead and move on to the other cryptos now. We're going to talk about SafeMoon on the Binance Smart Chain. So it is up 1.58% in the last 24 hours, $37,000 in trading volume, $22,000 on the buy side versus $14,000 on the sell side. SafeMoon with Polygon. This one we have one transaction and it was a sell for just $35. So very, very low volume there. SafeMoon over on the Ethereum side, also very low volume, one transaction for $27. Evergrow coin, this one has had $1,700 total trading volume, $749 on the buy side, but $978 on the sell side. It's down 1.52% after a 3-day run-up. Blockbuster Tech, this one seeing some pretty good gains on the day with a $6,000 volume, $5,800 of that was on the buy side, whereas only $226 was on the sell side. It's up 7.85%. For Beefy, BiFi, this one is not seeing any trading activity in the last 24 hours. We do see one being reported of transactions here for $157, but that took place back on May 12th. BNB Mirror Protocol also showing a little bit of signs up, very low volume, $55 here, $45 on the buy side, $9 on the sell side, up 0.85%. Bitcoin Mirror Protocol, pretty close to the same thing here. We're seeing $19, but it's $3 on the buy side, $15 on the sell side, and it's up 0.65% on the price chart. For Croge, this one having just $15. It's two transactions. Both of them were buys. It made it go up 0.25%. For Crift, this one having one transaction to sell for $16, although it is shown on the candle here. It's climbing up a tad bit. Not seeing anything of being traded for May 13th. For Glow token, this one had two transactions, both of them sells for $4. It's up 0.61% technically. Grove token, this one down 1.13%. It's $13,000 in trading volume. $6,500 on the buy side, $7,000 on the sell side. After 3 days of candle closures going down, we see another one here for the new day, starting to show a little bit of signs of some growth. So a little bit of green at the moment. For HOD, this one took quite a few days of hits. One transaction that's a buy for $61, but that was for May 13th right there. We're not seeing it actually show any percentage change in the last 24 hours though, which is interesting. Live crypto party, this one here, no trading activity for May 13th. Ethereum, it looks like they added liquidity. Down 5.02%, 4 transactions, $980, all of them for sells. For Rhythm, this one, no trading activity since April 18th. Revoltants is still working through their things. There's some sells that came in. One buy for $261, but $341 on the sell side. It's down 2.34%. And the last one up is Pepe. Pepe doing considerably higher, better than what we saw with the other tokens. This one on the SafeMoon SWAP, up 13.35%. That's $14,000 on the buy side versus $8,300 on the sell side. And that's what I got for you guys in this video. If you want to learn how to pay for your bills using cryptocurrency, gotta make sure I actually show you guys that's not the ad that's playing. You guys can check out Spritz Finance. I got a video link down in the description below. You can learn more about how it works. I actually paid for one of my own bills using it, and they use a variety of different crypto options. It's super easy, super fast, very convenient. If you use my referral, you can get a little bonus for one of your future bill payments. And that's what I got for you guys. Thank you so much for being here. Double shout out thank you to my Patreon supporters. We love SafeMoon.com, Victor Vegas, SafeMoon Oz for being higher level patrons. And thank you to my YouTube members for your support. Guys, I hope you have a great day. God bless. We'll see you in the next episode.